Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to take this cable, which comes with this device. Here is how it looks, and it's Type-C from both sides. One of these sides we would need to put into our phone, and the second one we can connect to a power bank, any working PC or laptop, or power adapter, which doesn't come with the device. So the power adapter looks like this, and also you need to make sure that it has Type-C input, which this one is USB Type-A, so this is not compatible with this charger. And also make sure that the power adapter has at least 25 watts, so the charging process can be faster. Now let's try to put our phone on a charge. Firstly, we would need to put one of these sides into this charging port at the bottom part of your phone, and the second one to the PC, laptop, or power bank. And now, as you can see the charging animation on the screen, which means that our phone has started charging successfully. So now let's talk about how long this phone can last on one single charge. The capacity of battery is 5000 mAh, which means that this phone can live from 24 hours up to 79 hours. It depends what are you doing on your phone. So for example, if you are internet surfing, this can last up 25 hours. But if you are only listening to music, you can enjoy it for 79 hours. And also, I did a little test how long it will take to charge this phone with adapter on 25 watts. And I can say that 15 minutes will give you 30% of battery, 30 minutes will give you 55% of battery, and to fully charge this phone, it will take about 80 minutes. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.